Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video we will talk about how to create a long tail cast on. This is not a difficult technique, but it is different than a typical cast on method. Let's get started. Now, to start your long tail cast on, you need to give yourself an adequate amount of yarn in your tail. Typically you want 3 times your circumference or the distance you are casting on. Let's go ahead and start here. Now you can start your long tail cast on with a slip knot, as you would a typical cast on. Just like that. And that would be your first stitch. Then you will take both tails of the yarn, bring the tail that is not connected to your ball of yarn towards you, and bring your working yarn that is connected to your ball of yarn away from you. Put your fingers in to create a diamond with your V of the strings. Alright, bring your palm facing upward. We'll take our needle and bring it below the bottom strand and above the top strand, just like a normal cast on. There, we've already cast on our first stitch. Let's do that again. Bring it below the bottom, above the top, and off. This is a very simple method. You will notice that the movements are very similar to a typical cast on, but it creates a different edge for your cast on. This tends to be a looser cast on, and it has a nice finished look. There you go. Now you know how to perform a long tail cast on. If you are looking for more knitting tutorials and videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and check out our other beginner knitting tutorials available at Snickerdoodle Knits. Happy knitting!